From scratch to hatch, building your own chicken coop. Welcome, DIY enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a fulfilling journey from scratch to hatch? Today, we're crafting a custom chicken coop that not only shelters your feathered friends but also shines as a testament to your creativity and skill. Before we dive in, let's gather our essentials. We'll need lumber, chicken wire, hardware, and basic tools like a saw and drill. Ensuring you have all necessary materials beforehand will keep the momentum going and make this project an enjoyable challenge rather than a stressful chore. Start with a vision for your coop. Consider the size and layout based on the space you have available. A well-designed coop ensures your chickens are safe and comfortable. Sketch your ideas, keeping ventilation and cleanliness in mind, so you have a solid blueprint to follow. Begin the construction process with a sturdy foundation. Level the ground and lay down a base of pressure-treated wood, ensuring the structure is balanced and secure. This step is crucial as it supports the entire coop, providing stability against weather and wear over time. Proceed by assembling the frame of your coop. Connect the wooden beams using screws to form the walls and roof. With your blueprint as a guide, the frame should come together seamlessly, creating the skeleton that will soon become a safe haven for your chickens. Next, attach panels for the walls, leaving spaces for windows. Ensure that each panel is securely fastened to withstand the elements. For the roof, use durable materials that offer protection from rain and sun, ensuring your coop remains a safe and comfortable environment. Inside the coop, create nesting boxes and roosting bars. Chickens crave cozy spaces to lay eggs and rest. Design these areas to be easily accessible for both you and the chickens, ensuring egg collection is a simple and stress-free task. It's time for the finishing touches. Paint or stain the exterior to protect it from the elements and its aesthetic value. Install the chicken wire securely around the perimeter to keep your flock safe from predators while ensuring efficient ventilation. With your coop ready, it's time to bring in your chickens. Introduce them gradually, allowing them to acclimate to their new environment. Watch with pride as your hens settle into their cozy home, knowing you've created something beautiful and functional with your own hands. Congratulations on completing your chicken coop. You've not only built shelter for your flock but also a testament to your hard work and ingenuity. If you love this DIY adventure, like and subscribe for more projects. Share your creations and inspire others to embark on their own DIY journeys.